Hey, this is Hannah over at Boundless Enterprise Marketing. I know you guys are busy, so I'm going to hop right in here. This is a free marketing audit to help you get more traffic to your website and climb that first page of Google. I have 3 tricks that I'm going to show you, and the first one is content. So Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on your homepage to consider you relevant in your field, and right now you're sitting right around 850 words. That content not only serves to tell Google that you know what you're doing and visitors to your website that you know what you're doing, but also to get those keywords that people are putting in the search bar to pop up so people can find you. Another great way to add more keywords is to come into your images and save them as keywords. Let's take a look at your number 1 organic competition, Gettle Air Conditioning and Plumbing. They have about 800 words of content on their homepage, and their images not saved as keywords. So it's descriptive, but it's not a keyword that people are searching for. People that are looking for an air conditioner or a plumber, whatever they're wanting to grab, they are not looking for Sadie. They are looking for HVAC Tucson, Arizona, or fix something. Here's your number 2 organic competition, Right Way. They have about 1,000 words of content on their homepage, and their images not saved as keywords. So we're going to take a look at a tool called Ahrefs that kind of looks a little bit more under the hood of things. Here we see that your website has a trust rating of 9 out of 100 and a power rating of 2.1 out of 100. And what we want to see is a 1-to-1 ratio there. We want it as close as possible to being like 9 and 9 or 2.1 and 2.1. Balance is best. And those come from your backlinks. You have 1,000 backlinks. And why we are seeing this gap or these low numbers with this is because not all backlinks are created equal. And so what you want to do is you're going to go out there and you're going to create more backlinks that are balanced in their trust and power, and that'll help boost these numbers and get you to rank. We see that you're focusing on 88 keywords, and those keywords are bringing 15 people to your website each month. Here's a list of your keywords. And so this is how many people search those keywords a month. This is how difficult it is to rank for. And then here is how many people it brings to your website a month, and then your position, basically how you rank for that keyword. Let's take a look over at Gettle. So they have a bit of a gap here. 30 trust, 41 power, but they have 716 backlinks, mostly because it looks like the backlinks that they've chosen, although they are imbalanced, have more trust and power than your backlinks do. Here we see they are going after 168 keywords, and those keywords are bringing 409 people to the website each month. So certain keywords get searched more, and it looks like they are choosing keywords that more people are going after. Here we have Right Way, bit more of a gap here. More trust and power, 1.82k backlinks, 1.2k organic keywords, bringing 814 people to their website each month. Now, another really great way to get people on the phone calling you or going to your business is with the Google Map Pack, this baby right here. So Google takes your Google My Business listing, this thing, and there's a number of ranking factors, but one of the huge ones is citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number listed on multiple directories across the internet, like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, so on and so forth. So Google takes those and ranks those out. We track those with a tool called Whitespark. Air Maintenance, that's you, with 49 citations. And then the top ones, Hamstra has 80, number 2 is Intelligent with 60, and then Family with 68. We see also that your organic competition, Gettle and Right Way, are not focusing on their map pack ranking as much with the 13 and 38, which is a bummer if you don't want to focus on both, because they kind of feed into each other, and if you can rank top on both, you'll get so much traffic through your website and into your door asking for your business. So we also see, for example, that, where was it? one of these guys, I think it was B&J, there we go, has 71 citations, and they're on the second page of Google My Business, while Intelligent, there it is, has 60, and they are the second in the map pack. That comes from the fact that quantity is great, quality is better, like worlds better, because though it may be great to have 2,000 citations, if they're all in shopping, entertainment, golfing, whatever, if it's not relevant, related, and reputable for your field, HVAC, it's not going to help you. Also, it needs to target the right keywords in each listing in order to maximize its efficiency. So those are my 3 tricks. 1, content. You want to have that 1,500 words on your homepage, and you'll beat out your competition who only have 800 and 1,000. 2, backlinks. You want to make sure that they're balanced. 3, citations. You want to make sure that they are fully efficient by being reputable, related, relevant to your field, targeting the right keywords, and they're not all that hard to make. They take about 5 to 10 minutes each once you find a directory that suits your needs. So all these processes are extremely simple, just extremely time consuming at the same time. So if you want to take them and you run with them and do them yourself, that's great. All the more power to you, because I want to see your business succeed. However, if you do want to do something a little bit more efficient and focus your time and energy somewhere else, you can give me a call, and I would love to talk about how we at Boundless Enterprise Marketing can help you. And my number is 520-338-9629. Thank you for your time, and I really hope to hear from you soon.